Hello innovators. Today we will see RoboArmy's Arduino Advanced with LCD display kit, a complete package to elevate your electronics and robotics skills. In this video, we will introduce you to all the components included in the kit. Let's get started. Inside this kit, you will find an array of sensors, modules, and essential components carefully selected for exciting projects. We have also included a detailed booklet with step-by-step lessons, circuit diagram, and QR codes that you can scan and directly reach to the detailed video tutorials, downloadable codes, and circuit files. First, we have a 16x2 LCD display module used to show text, numbers, and sensor readings. One I2C backpack to simplify wearing, reducing the number of required connections for the display. One ultrasonic sensor module that measures distance by emitting ultrasonic waves and detecting their reflection, useful for obstacle detection and distance measurement. Two IR sensor modules that detects infrared light and is used for object detection, common in automation and security systems. One MQ3 gas sensor that detects alcohol and gas levels in the environment, used for alcohol monitoring and safety applications. One DHT11 that is temperature and humidity sensor to measure environmental temperature and humidity levels, useful for weather station and climate control projects. One sound sensor that detects sound levels and convert them into electrical signals, ideal for sound activated control systems. One soil moisture sensor that measures the moisture content in the soil, ideal for smart irrigation and plant monitoring systems. Here we have one double battery holder that can hold two 3.7 volt lithium rechargeable batteries to increase power capacity, useful to power the Arduino from this DC jack. One single battery holder that is designed to hold a single 3.7 volt battery, mainly used in our project where we will use a relay. One BO motor, or we can say DC geared motor with wheel, used for driving wheels in projects, provides controlled motion for DIY projects. One water pump module with flexible pipe to move water when activated, used in automated plant watering systems. In this portion, we have one 4x4 matrix keypad with 16 buttons used for input such as entering passwords, ideal for security and menu-based applications. 12 LEDs to emit light when powered, and 12 220 ohm resistors to regulate current flow. 5 push buttons to control circuits, essential for user input in electronic projects. One small buzzer that produces sound alerts in response to signals from the Arduino, used in alarm notification and sound-based projects. One single channel relay module that works as an electronic switch that controls high-powered devices, enables Arduino to control appliances like lights and fans. One 2-axis joystick module that is used for robotic arm movement and gaming applications, function like a video game joystick. Two SG90 servo motors that move with precise control over angles, commonly used in robotics and automation projects. One Arduino Uno board that is heart of our project. This microcontroller board is programmable to control various sensors and modules. It allows us to create interactive electronics. One USB data cable type A to B that connects the Arduino Uno to a computer for programming and power, essential for uploading code. And here we have one 400 pins breadboard used for building temporary circuits without soldering, ideal for experimenting with new designs. All three types of jumper wires with male-to-male connectors, male and female connectors, and female-to-female connectors for flexible circuit connections, essential for prototyping. Three 3.7 volt lithium-ion batteries that provide a stable power source, perfect for making your projects portable. One for the single battery holder and two for the double battery holder. One single battery charger that is used to recharge lithium batteries efficiently. Insert the 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery into the holder, ensuring correct polarity. Typically, charging takes around 2 to 3 hours for a full charge. Ensures a reliable power supply for your projects. Now that you know your components, you are ready to start building. Scan the QR code in your booklet for a complete video walkthrough of this lesson. Let's bring innovation to life with the Arduino Advanced with LCD display kit. If you have not purchased this kit yet, check out our Amazon link in the description and grab yours kit today.